How to change your password. In the digital world, security is key. Resetting or changing your password is simple. If you've forgotten your password, click Sign In. Enter the email address your account is registered to and click Forgotten Password. You will then be sent a password reset email. If you don't see it in your inbox, please check your junk folders. To change your password, sign into your account. From your account dashboard, click Account. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Change Password. Update the details and click Update Settings. Your new password will be set.